To set your phone to automatically answer the call after 2 seconds in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Under interaction section, tap answering and ending calls. Tap the gray on off switch next to answer automatically. When the switch turns green, it means that this option is on. Next, tap answer automatically and then select 2 seconds. By choosing this option, from now your phone will automatically answer incoming calls after 2 seconds while your phone is connected to a headset or a Bluetooth device. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.